गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। आज हम आपके जो है क्लास 12th चैप्टर नंबर 8 करेंगे, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द इंटीग्रल। लास्ट चैप्टर में आपने इंटीग्रल्स के पार्ट पढ़े हैं, टॉपिक्स वाइज आपको डिफाइन किया है, लेकिन आज जो है चैप्टर है इसमें आप पढ़ेंगे एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द इंटीग्रल। मीन्स इंटीग्रल को कैसे आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, इसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है वो आप पढ़ेंगे। क्लियर है? ओके। इफ f(x) इज ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल टू 0, इफ कोई फंक्शन f(x) है जो कि क्या है, जो ग्रेटर देन 0 है, इज अ कॉन्टिन्यूस फंक्शन, इज अ कॉन्टिन्यूस फंक्शन, continuous function which is defined in the interval, defined in the interval close interval a comma b, close interval a comma b, then the area of the region, bounded by the curve, y is equal to fx, x-axis, which is value of x is a and value of y, while value of y is b, is given that. So the area of this region is equal to a to b fx into dx is equal to a to b. fx is a function, fx is equal to y, so y into dx. This curve lies above the x-axis. This curve lies above the x-axis. Now, this condition, when fx is greater than 0, in second way, if fx is less than or equal to 0. In this condition, same way, fx is a continuous function which is defined in an open in a closed same way, in a closed interval a comma b. Then the area of this region, bounded by the curve, and the curve is y is equal to fx in x-axis, and x value of x is a and value of x is mean b, right? B in y. So what is the area of this time? Same way, a to b fx into dx, or this is the modulus. Why? Because area always be in positive form, positive number. So a to b fx into dx. Okay, that means this time here the curve lies below x-axis. This time the curve lies below the x-axis. Clear? Okay. And the second point is, next point is area of the region. Next point is area of the region bounded by any curve. Just like this, the curve is x is equal to f of y. This time in y-axis, we are using, axis is using y-axis, and at y is equal to c and y is equal to d. 2 points means that this curve c to d. So this area of this curve c to d x into dy is equal to c to d f into y into dy. And the next is, if the curve x is equal to f of phi, x is equal to f of phi lies on the left side of the y-axis, then this times area of the region, this time area is equal to C2D, absolute value of C2D, x into dy is equal to, same way, C2D Fy into dy. Clear? Okay. And if this x belongs to close interval a to c and fx is greater than equal to 0 and this for x belongs to c to d where fx is less than equal to 0 where a and the c lies between a and b this time. C lies between a and b this time. So the area of the region bounded by this y is equal to f of x in x-axis. So the area is, in this time, area is equal to a to c fx into dx minus c to b fx into dx. Clear? ये बेसिक्स हैं एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रल के. अब क्या करेंगे, मैं कोई भी एग्जाम्पल आपके पास रखूंगी, एक क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर दिस. ओके, क्वेश्चन इज, एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेती हूं मैं. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रीजन. क्वेश्चन इज find the area of the region enclosed by the curves y square is equal to x and x is equal to 1 by 4, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 using integration. This x is equal to 1. So the question is, find the area of the region enclosed by the curve. Y square is equal to x. This curve is given. Y square is equal to 4. Y square is equal to x, and where x is equal to 1 by 4. Not this is 1 by 4. Sorry, this is 1 by 4. And y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 using integration method. Clear? Okay. Now you know very well this is a parabolic equation. So first you have to draw the parabola, and this is a right-handed parabola. Okay, this is the O point x-axis, this is x dash axis, y-axis, and this is y dash axis. X is equal to, this is what is given, bacha, x is equal to 1 by 4. So this side, x is equal to 4 as this, x is equal to 1 by 4, and what is given, this point is, what is this point? It is 1 by 4 comma 0, and this time x is equal to 1. This time x is equal to 1, and what you have to find the area of the region enclosed in this region. You have to find the area of this region. Okay, so this point is 1 by 4 into 0, and this is 1 comma 0, right? This is the line x is equal to 1 and this is x is equal to 1 by 2. So how to find the region, area, this region? So the area is equal to this minus 4 to 1. So this minus 4 to 1, and what is the value of y? Y is equal to under root of x. So under root of x into dx time. What it means? It is 1 by 4 to 1. Under root x means x raised to the power 1 by 2 into dx. And when you integrate it, what is the value? It is beta, it is x raised to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. It is 1 by 4. Sorry. So 2 by 3 of x raised to the power 3 by 2, sorry, 1 by 2. Okay. So there's 1 by 2 into x raised to the power 3 by 2 and 1 by 4. How? So, how to solve this beta? 2 by 3 of x raised to the power 3 by 2, 1 by 4. Take 2 by 3 outside and x raised to the power 3 by 2 raised to the power 1. Mean it is 1. It's a limit 1 by 4 to 1. Definite integral. So this 2 by 3 is equal to this 1 x raised to the power 1 means x is 1. 1 raised to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 raised to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so this 2 by 3 and value of this is 1 minus this 2 raised to the power 2. So it is 1 raised to the power 1 raised to the 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3. That means it is 1 by 8. So first you have to solve it. 2 by 3. Nothing is there, that means it is 1. Take LCM of 8 and 1, it is 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So 2 by 3 into 7 by 8. So we got 2 4 the 8. That means 7 by 12. 7 by 12 square unit is the answer. Square unit is the unit of area. So answer this time is 7 by 12. Thank you.